Good morning, everybody. This is weird. I haven't filmed a video in way too long. I just wanted to sit and chat and do my makeup because you all seem to enjoy that. I enjoy that, so it's a fun time. This mirror's got condensation on it, what the frick? I'm gonna try and actually talk about what products I'm using today because everyone always asks what I'm using, and because I'm a piece of shit, I always forget to mention what I'm using. Right now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and I'm using it to highlight my face. If you're wondering, yes, I am actually already wearing foundation. Obviously, I wish my skin was this good. Even with foundation on, it still looks shit, but... And if you're wondering what this foundation is, it is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Super matte. That was really bad. I've actually already wrapped and bought and got everything sorted for Christmas this year. I am, oh my god, okay, my eye is gonna pop out of its socket. I am so prepared this Christmas, and to make a difference, I actually have money this year, so I've been able to buy half decent gifts. I'm so excited for all my family and my boyfriend and everyone to receive their gifts. I feel like I've done the best I've ever done this year. This video just should be called flossie.clegg. That was disgusting, oh my god. This video should just be called Flossie assaulting herself with a beauty blender for 10 minutes straight. I hate when people refer to themselves in third person. Makes me feel a bit sick. Okay, that's an exaggeration. I don't hate it. It does make me feel sick. But it does make me feel a bit sick. I'm going to be doing my makeup in a really weird order because I'm a weird, quirky teen.
Wow. Get used to it, sweaty.
I'm putting some concealer on my eyelids to act as a primer. The moist eyelid makes a return once again. I'm gonna zoom you in a bit. Oh wow, she's really ugly. Focus on the important things in life. Am I right, ladies? I'm going to be going in with this new palette here, which... how beautiful. Beauty Bay actually sent this to me. It's the EYN Fiery palette. And can we just talk about for a second that Beauty Bay sent me?
Sorry?
It's so beautiful, and no, this is not sponsored. I wish Beauty Bay, if you do want to sponsor me, please hit me up because that would just be a dream come true. Room for Dessert, which is this shade here, and sweeping that through my crease. And I'm also going to mix it with some sandy shoes. What's everyone doing for Christmas this year? I am just staying at home. I've got some family coming over, which will be nice. Does anyone have any weird little Christmas traditions they do? Because if you do, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. The next shade I'm going to be going in with is Room for Dessert, which is this incredible orange shade, and I'm going to be putting it slightly below that shade in my crease. Oh sis, she is pigmented. What does everyone think of all this like beauty scandals, like beauty community drama? Personally, I was so over it after a day of it happening. People love to complain about the world, but as soon as someone wants to change, they're like,
no, people don't change, people can't change.
It's like, sweetheart, really? You really want to be like that? I think if someone's made a mistake, they should be given a chance to change. I used to think that homeschooling was so bad and that children need to be around other children, and I was just an opinionated little who thought she knew everything when I definitely didn't. But I used to think homeschooling was really, really bad, and I used to think veganism was really, really unhealthy. 2 years later, I was a homeschool vegan. So you live and you learn. Now I'm going to go back in with this Sandy Shoes shade on this tiny little fluffy brush, and I'm going to go on top of that orange shade and make sure it's all blended out. Then I'm going to go in with a mix of this shade and this shade and gently manoeuvre that into my crease. Also, I'd just like to address something that happened to me the other day. I don't think I'll ever get over this. So Holly Boone put me on her Instagram story and direct message to me. Sorry. I was shaking, my ovaries exploded. It puts me under a lot of pressure because I like to think I'm okay at makeup, but I certainly am no Holly Boone. Do you know what? For once, I'm actually going somewhere today. I'm not doing my makeup and I'm not just going to be sitting in bed. I'm actually going to Soho Farmhouse. Some of you might know what it is. I wish I was a member. I'm not quite that rich enough yet, but my mum's friend is a member and you can like guest people, so I'm going with my mum. I went there after my GCSEs with my mum for like a little girly spa weekend, and it was super cute, super fun, super fresh. Is that what James Charles said? I don't know. Gotta show me I'm a fake fan, isn't it? Oh, can we talk about the James Charles palette though? Oh, so gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with this burgundy shade called Lust on this little pencil brush. Oh, she is so pretty. Now I'm gonna go back in with that little fluffy... Where did you go? Oh, here she is. Now I'm going to take a bit of the shade Lucky, which is a white shade, and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. This palette, it's still dirty, and yes, I can confirm it has spread a new disease. It's a problem. But one that I can't be bothered to do anything about. Honestly, if you haven't got an Alexa, make it your New Year's resolution to get one, because that shit is life-changing. So as per usual, my brows look horrific. Like, they really, really, really are on another level bad today. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Zoeva Contour Spectrum, which once again, this is also breeding another disease. I'm just mixing the two contour shades together, and I'm going to be going around the perimeter of my face. I scraped off? God, that's a horrible way to put it. I exfoliated off every single little bit of tan I've got left, and I also exfoliated about 2 sheets of skin off. So when I say I'm pale... yeah, I hope that contour's even. It's probably not. But who cares? Not me. Now I'm going to powder my face. So for that, I'm going to be using this Gosh Prime and Set. I'm going to bring some of that red shimmery eyeshadow down onto my lower lash line. I need to do my mascara, but this is going to sound so stupid. I literally put off doing my mascara as much as possible because I just think it's the most boring step of makeup. Anybody got time to sit around and just coat and coat and coat and coat and coat and coat and coat? Now that the most boring 5 minutes of my life were over, where's my lip liner? I bought my lip liner the other day, I think I lost it. Where is my lip liner? So after about 10-20 minutes of searching, I found it down my mattress. Why? I wish I could tell you. The lip liner, I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade... I thought I picked this up in Lolita, but apparently I picked it up in Mauve. Mauve. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this Nip and Fab lipstick in the shade Marshmallow. I think I am anyway. Yeah, I'll use that colour. I'm going to be putting this in the centre. Okay, that is thick. It's just such a weird consistency. It's almost a bit moussey. I don't know if I like it. Does not go with the eyes at all, but what are you going to do? Then I'm going to go over that with a gloss. I'm going to be using this Soap and Glory. There's a hair on my hand. You know, Sexy Mother Packer gloss in Bare Enough. Oh my god, I forgot to put highlighter on. Who am I? For highlighter, as always, Jeffree Star King Tut. You know how it... oh god, there's literally hairs everywhere. Just balding things. An update on the balding. It's growing back. Yay! And this is the finished look, everyone. Super basic, like me.
Love that.
So this is the finished look. It's nothing... okay, my eyebrows are really wonky. It's nothing revolutionary, just a really simple, quick, easy glam, because let's be honest, who's got time to sit and do 2 hours on their makeup? Me, because I don't do anything with my life. I know most people don't, so... yay. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe to me if you would like to see more of my videos in the future, and make sure you click the bell notification if you want my videos to come up in your subscription box. All my social medias are listed in the description box down below. I'm most active on my Twitter and on my Instagram. I love you all so much. Thank you all once again for 200,000. Ah, so crazy. I will see you all very soon, but until then, I hope you have a really happy, Merry Christmas. Also, just before I go, I just want to let you know that I am going to be vlogging Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, as well as filming what I got for my Christmas, so make sure you stick around for those videos, because my presents for my family this year are really special and I want to share them all with you. So yeah, I will see you all very soon. Bye!